What is up, all and sundry? Welcome lower back to the Crypto Blitz, your private home on your crypto fix. I'm your host, Ripple Ben Winkle. Hopefully all and sundry is having a brilliant Monday. Hopefully you are to your manner domestic from work. Hopefully the day is over and with a bit of luck you're going to pass home and kick your FT up and relax and get equipped for Tuesday. That's right, look, on this video, in this episode, a lot happening. We're going to communicate about the crypto markets and how, in my non-public opinion, they are set to blow up. We were given the election developing. We're going to study historical facts and what commonly occurs in a halving year round election time. We're additionally going to investigate the FBI arrest in the back of the fake CC Bitcoin ETF put up. We're going to evaluate that to the fake ETF submitting for XRP in Delaware. We're going to check Bitcoin's rate trend, after which we are going to soar into institutions due to the fact the institutional money, they're leaving Ethereum and they're coming to the XRP ledger. That's proper. You heard that right here first without simile ado. Let's soar right into a Bitcoin $68,398. It's currently down 0.11% inside the beyond 24 hours Ethereum coming in on 2007 on 12. It's presently up 2.36% as USDT and USDC both coming in at their dollar pegs as XRP is an average lean 555. That's right, I feel like we ought to cross-play the lotto, maybe a slot gadget. What is that? That's the 7th on slots though, proper, not fives. It's currently up 2.78%. Now I made the film's closing week. I advised you XRP's time became coming out. I became about to make a retest upwards, approximately to push that 61.5 cent region. Remember the primary target we used to speak approximately becomes 60 cents. It is now 61.5 of. If we're capable to interrupt via 61.5 cents, we are going to make that push and that run at 70 cents. 70 cents is a key range for XRP along with 75 cents. And then we will make the move upward to that magical greenback area. Now, if you have not been to Crypto Lengthy, have you in no way been placed on a bull run or any sort of movement on crypto? Not handiest will we have resistant partitions for these cryptocurrencies. However, we've got mental ranges which play a completely key impacting rate. For any crypto you look at, $1 is a massive psychological level. It's a massive mental level. So when XRP can get past the dollar, we are able to get to that dollar. It's like $1.50 to $1.75 area. We will then see the retrace on XRP. It needs to maintain above the dollar. And then we are able to see it push an assignment, the best ever high from 2017. That's the playbook, folks. Total cryptocurrency marketplace, 2,380,000,000. 5 billion cross, get yourself the NFT Lux Traces. My logo, the #1 brand at the XRP Legend Parents Time is walking out. If you keep the NFT by using the primary of the month, by means of the beam, by the growth, you are going to earn XRP. It is how easy it's far each unmarried month. No, you don't need to shop for an NFT every single month. Some people do, they may be clever like that. But in case you buy an NFT these days, and also you keep it come January, February, March, you'll nevertheless be Income's XRP again credit scorecard or XRP is established the best component. I do ask in case you pay with credit card, write down your Zam pockets within the notes. So I realize we're in to send the NFT or RIP is going to come back seeking out you. UK pension giant LNG. They're seeking to enter the crypto tokenization area. We hear lots about OROS and tokenization. Ripple is a part of this sport as nicely. It states that London-based LNG, which has 1.5 trillion in assets, is evaluating ways to enroll in different big conventional players like BlackRock, Franklin Templeton, and Arbor, which are all from blockchain-based market funds and the like. It says legal and fashionable, the London-based pension funding management firm with 1.5 trillion in assets at the management is planning an entrance into the blockchain primarily based tokenization area that is developing popular amongst finance giants. It states down right here, tokenization or the illustration of conventional belongings like us treasuries, backed money, marketplace budget through tokens in a blockchain have emerged as popular among traditional monetary firms. That multiplied after the arrival of BlackRock, the largest asset supervisor within the world on the scene, along with his construct fund on the Ethereum blockchain. Others are to be had now from Franklin Templeton, State Street and Arbdent. We are going to peer those giants, those traditional financial parents, enter the gap parents with tokenization. Why do you observe Ripple is in a tokenization game? You are going to peer extra money come over to the crypto space. We've spoken approximately the crypto space going 10, 20, 30 trillion. It's going to be plenty larger than the stock market. It's not simply going to manifest overnight. However, we can start to see a percentage of the money from traditional finance enter the blockchain or the crypto international. It's early days. It is super early days. Bitcoin near 70,000 in record open interest. At $40 billion as Trump-Harris election is. The election is what? Today's the 21st. What are we about? 2 weeks out from the election. Since Bitcoin's fee rose with the aid of 1.5% in 24 hours with a good-sized boom within the futures open interest, indicating persisted money circulate the market. The crypto markets are vast greens with Solana and different cryptocurrencies growing, fueled by way of speculative buying and selling. And thematic investments like AI-themed meme coins. Crypto traders are betting on a positive final results within the US elections for cryptocurrencies with expectancies of regulatory reforms if Donald Trump wins. Look, if Trump wins, excuse me, I'm joking, we're going to see crypto coverage. We're going to see crypto take off in the US. I've stated this for quite some time. Once we get coverage inside the US, you may see the rest of the world adopt rules because they're just going to piggyback off what the USA put accessible for their regulations. They're going to rewrite them, after which they are going to take them and pretty plenty throw them a ChatGPT and be like, hey, update the Usain Sadat USA. And then we will have crypto regulations shooting up all around the international. As my power just flickered again. I do not know how we're weeks after the typhoon, and I'm nevertheless getting those brownouts. Doesn't make any feel. Lucky we are now not live, even though. So the show will hold Bitcoin's feed trend earlier than previous UX elections. This is what I want you to take note of. In 2016, the pre-election decline was even more reported, with a 30% drop taking place 3 months earlier than the election. CoinGecko information suggests the virtual asset fee fell from around $750 to a low of $500, a decline of 30% over 3 months earlier than that year's elections. In the early days of virtual asset history in 2012, there was an extensive 75% drop about 80 days earlier than the election. It says the timing of the USA presidential election aligns with the give-up of year duration, the months leading up to its traditionally volatile for monetary markets, especially summer. There is a cause I maintain telling you summer season 2020-2025 goes to be a magical time for the crypto markets, and we get it really is the FBI arrest the alleged hacker at the back of the fake CC Bitcoin ETF Twitter post. Well, they have been capable of determining out who this man is. However, here's my question. When BlackRock supposedly are making air prices, you can't see them. When BlackRock assume a fake ETF filing in Delaware, wherein you wish kinds of ID 2 humans to log out on it, and they were just investigating it because it becomes so known as faux. How come no one became able to locate these people down in the event that they needed to submit IDs for it? But they have been capable of locating whoever made a faux Twitter account and posted the SEC's Bitcoin ETF approval. Was it clearly fake oldsters? That's the query. Or became it just a little bit too early due to the fact just more than 1 month after that? What did we see? We see the agree with pop up, and now we've 3 XRP ETFs filings which can be obtainable. Smoke Dog put this out. Yes, institutions are shifting from Ethereum to the XRP ledger for cheaper prices and carbon neutrality. It has also been documented that the XRP ledger AMA surpassed Ethereum's base totally AMA regarding velocity, scalability, and performance. That's something massive proper there. Then keep in mind this, all people's pronouncing that R3 have once not anything to do with XRP, that they moved over to XTC. However, I nonetheless do want to remind you, R3 holds a shit ton of XRP. What are they making plans to do with that XRP? Because down right here, this presentation suggests the agreement mechanism region and the way it connects to Swift GPI. We pointed out Swift lots. We talked about Swift having to make an alternate. We are on account that they're making a change in a manner that cash is being moved. Now, if you weigh by some means directly or circuitously, in my personal non-public opinion, they will be the use of the XRP ledger in some unspecified time in the future, whether or not it's without delay or circuitously. Listen to this clip.